Everybody, welcome to this review. Today we have... Whoa! It's a wonderful sewing kit!
Oh my god, that is so
wow,
cool.
it's so cool. You can make a bag, you can make a badge holder, we can make a lucky charm. It's very cool. Let's do the unboxing.
Oh!
Do you like it?
Yeah, this is cool for me.
Super cool.
Oh my god! Wait, is it supposed to be this?
Alright, here we have the... What's called is this? The stuffing.
Yeah, but...
Let's see if they include...
Wow! Oh my god!
I see a rainbow.
Wait, this rainbow. You see that?
There's a rainbow. Let's see. So we have this. We have this. You see, they are pre-cut, so there is no need for using scissors and X-Acto knife. It can be dangerous for kids. There is one black.
Oh my god.
There is one white. There is one pink. It's very cool. There is the manual because we're gonna make a bag. Are you ready?
Look at that.
Measuring tape is very
Oh my
cool.
god.
Then we have more here. All right.
And I will...
Open. So much fun. All right. This. Also this one. These other fabric. They have pre-drill holes.
No
So-
way, look at the cat.
We don't have to drill, make any puncture. Can be dangerous. It's not finished. We also have another bag with more.
Oh my god.
Because we're gonna make a bag. It's gonna be
that's
so
a
much
cat.
fun.
And
So let me open this. The fabric. This is to make stuffing. To make I don't know what we're gonna make it.
I don't know.
All right. So the brand also have all kind of other stuff. I think I saw.
Are you supposed to do this?
They have
Whoa,
this one is another
really
good.
wet.
You need
Oh
to
my
check it out, but we're gonna check out too. It's the
this
one
is
to
so
make a little animal.
Wait,
Very
wait.
cool.
Is that for-
Look, this one it looks very cool.
Hey,
All right.
that's for the new school. That's really for the new
All right. Here we have
Everyone would be serious of
this, which no. This one, the needles.
Oh my gosh.
Then we have the little scissors.
Oh my god, we're not using
All right.
scissors. They're
We have the
too-
threads.
and they even fit.
All right. So let's do something. What do you want to do? You want to do a bag? We need to see the manual instruction.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a practice one. It's very simple, but it's very cool because it tells you what you need. So we need 2 pieces of art.
Wait.
And there are 2. Or 1 and 2. And then we need these stickers, this area here. Then it says that we need the pink thread, which is this one. And we need the needle. So the first thing is, the thread in the needle, like that. All right. Then you do it like this. And you start sewing. You start sewing.
Oh, can I try?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you do it like this.
And then it goes to the other hole.
It goes to the other hole like that. Do it.
Go up.
Okay, go.
Okay, that's good. Then we go to the here,
Yes.
like that. Oh no, I think I messed it up.
So our first practice came like this. Olivia here help us too. I have a little trouble on the back. Maybe I'm supposed to leave the thread longer, but that was the practice. That's why it's called practice. Then we can do the card holder. Then it's gonna be the ornament. Then we have the pin. Then there is the bag. Then there is the pillow. Maybe we're gonna make a pillow. And then there is also an organizer. So there are a total of 6 projects you can do with this game. It's very good. So check out the product information for more detail and see you next time. Bye bye.